Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to register on Pocket option in 2025. It's super simple, and by the end of the guide, you will know exactly how to create your account and get started. Let's jump right in. So first open your browser and go to the official website pocketoption.com, and you can also download the Pocket Option apps on your phone from the App Store or Google Play if you prefer trading on mobile. On the home page, click the sign up button. A registration form will pop up. You will need to enter your email and a secure password. Then choose your account currency like USD or Euro or BDT. So finally check the box to confirm you agree with their terms and conditions. After filling the form, Pocket Option will send a verification link to your email. Open your inbox, click on the confirmation link, and your account will be activated. Without this step, you won't be able to start trading. So make sure you verify. Once logged in, it's a good idea to be set up two factors authentication for extra security. Go to your account settings and enable 2FA and link it with your phone or Google Authenticator app. This keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. To fully use Pocket Option, you will need to complete your profile verification. That means adding your personal details and uploading your ID or passport. After that, you can go to the finance sections to make your first deposit using methods like bank card, e-wallet or crypto. Pocket Option also offers a demo account with virtual funds, so you can practice before risking real money. And that's it. That's how you registered on Pocket Options in 2025. Remember to always start with the demo accounts. If you are new and only invest what you can afford to lose. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.